What's up, guys? Today we're going to be learning about the air conditioning problem in your Mercedes-Benz, and at the end, well, of course, potential price for fixing the problem, and we'll be going through the official Mercedes document. So let's go ahead and check it out.
If your Mercedes-Benz is experiencing poor cooling or weak heat, do not replace the compressor yet. First, you must perform a highly specific manufacturer-mandated pressure and leak test to find the true root cause. Throwing parts at modern Mercedes climate systems is a massive mistake that will quickly drain your bank account. Mechanics often rush to replace expensive components without understanding the complex thermodynamic networks inside these vehicles. When systems blow cold on one side and hot on the other, it feels like a broken blend door. However, a tiny loss of refrigerant charge changes the pressure-temperature vapor curve of the evaporator core. This thermal imbalance mimics a mechanical failure, tricking technicians into replacing expensive blend door actuators. Another common mistake is injecting ultraviolet dye or cheap leak sealants directly into the air conditioning system ports. Mercedes-Benz variable displacement compressors utilize extremely tight internal tolerances within their pulse-width-modulated electronic control valves. The abrasive dyes and sticky sealants clog these tiny valve orifices, permanently seizing the internal piston mechanism. To prevent these costly misdiagnoses, Mercedes-Benz issued a massive technical service bulletin, LI 83.3 0-P-079850 version 4. This document standardizes the diagnostic approach for all passenger cars and SUVs across every model year. It applies directly.
That's it for the video. Now let's look at the official Mercedes document. Let's see what we got here. And that is not it. Let us pause. Here is our PDF. All right, so it looks like high voltage AC compressor. It looks like this is like a customer care program. It looks like they're extending. Let's see, Mercedes is extending the warranty coverage for the HVAC system, or the HVAC compressor on the vehicle, the original new vehicle limited warranty of 4 years of 50,000 miles. It's extending it to 8 years and unlimited miles. This applies to vehicle regardless of ownership. Oh, that's nice. And basically they're saying that under these circumstances, the high voltage AC compressor may not function as intended. And what we saw in the video is they might think it's a blend door or something else going on. So it's important to know about this. So you watching this, you'll be informed. You won't go to an independent shop or something and they'll start fixing other stuff. That's why it's good to know this information. Any repairs must be performed by the Mercedes, but then they also say we will reimburse you. Down here, you can always go back and pause and read all this stuff. I'll try and move slow enough. Hey, call Mercedes, 800-367-6372 if you have any questions. And that, I believe, covers it all. So that is it, guys. Let's make sure, no more pages. So I appreciate y'all. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.